Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make dry radish pickle. First, choose fresh, firm radishes, ensuring they are free from blemishes. Wash them thoroughly under cold water and trim off the root and stem ends. Next, slice each radish into thin, uniform rounds, approximately 1/8 inch thick. Consistency in slicing helps them dry evenly and absorb flavors better. This initial preparation is crucial for a delicious pickle. After slicing, place your radish pieces in a large bowl and sprinkle them with about 2 tablespoons of salt. Gently toss to ensure every piece is coated. Let them sit for at least 1 hour. This draws out excess moisture, which is key for a dry pickle. Then, spread the radishes in a single layer on a clean tray or cloth. Dry them in direct sunlight for 2 to 3 days until they are shriveled and firm. Now, let's prepare the aromatic spice blend. You'll need mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. Lightly roast the whole spices, like mustard and fenugreek, in a dry pan for a minute or two until fragrant. Be careful not to burn them. Once cooled, grind these roasted spices into a coarse powder. This fresh spice blend will give your pickle its distinctive, rich flavor. Finally, combine the dried radishes with your freshly ground spice blend in a clean bowl. Add a few tablespoons of mustard oil or sesame oil, mixing thoroughly until every radish piece is well coated. Transfer the pickle to a clean, airtight jar. Store it in a cool, dry place, and it will be ready to enjoy in a few days. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade dry radish pickle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.